Hey everyone, welcome back to Anxiety Art Adventures. Today I want to do a sponsor appreciation video for Claws and Paws 2025 diamond painting event that myself and Hannah, Sparkling Spectrumite, are hosting through the month of August. We do this every year, and this year the event has grown quite a bit, and we are thrilled to have as many sponsors as we do. So I wanted to go ahead and create this video and show all of the fabulous sponsors we have. Okay, so we have Beaded Melodies. Beaded Melodies is owned by Brittany. Most of you are familiar with Brittany and Robin in the diamond painting community. They are a mother-daughter team. Robin's the mother, Brittany's the daughter. And they have done so much for our diamond painting community with events and participation and just support of all of the content creators, and they're just awesome. They're wonderful. So Brittany reached out and said she would be happy to donate these just adorable paw print bracelets for our event. So we are going to be giving away 4 of these bracelets, 1 per week. So I want to thank Brittany so much for offering to be a sponsor for our event. Love you, show. Okay, and now we have Bliss Design. Most of you in the diamond painting community are very familiar with Christina's trays. They are fabulous. One of my favorite trays, absolutely, to use on a regular basis. And of course, I didn't mention this before, so sorry, scatterbrain. All of the links for all of the shops will be down in the description below, so please check out all the shops and show our small shop some love. Okay, but Christina was gracious enough to design this Claws and Paws event tray. She asked if there was anything I wanted on the tray, and I said, just use your imagination, which she has just incredible imagination with her trays. So she came up with this design. It's fabulous. I am just, I'm thrilled with how it turned out. So she is actually giving away 4 of these trays, 1 per week. And also these trays are available in her shop for the public to purchase. So please check out Bijou Bliss Design. But thank you so much, Christina, for being a sponsor again for Claws and Paws. And we look forward to hopefully working with you again next year. Okay, so next we have Cararissas Craft Corner. Cararissas Craft Corner has 3D printed items for diamond painting, and she has some other fun items like cover minders and, just gadgets for diamond painting. So she actually has items in her shop. So we are going to be getting gift cards from Carissa for the event. So I want to thank her so much for offering to be a sponsor for Claws and Paws. So thank you, Carissa. And then we have Crafts with Crashley. Ashley reached out and said she would be happy to donate, or I reached out to her. I can't remember. But basically, Crafts with Crashley, Ashley and Kerwin own the shop, and they are well known for their premium release papers for your diamond paintings. They have pens, they have Ribbit Stick It, which is a diamond painting putty, cover minders, and just lots of cool gadgets. So she designed for our event the bottom picture. That's the little logo I created for our event, but she created a bundle, which you can also purchase these separately in her shop. But that bundle is going to be one of the grand prize winners, items. So that whole bundle comes with the tumbler, the release papers, the pen, the cover minder. It's just an awesome bundle. But she also created the release papers by Cheryl Carpenter that match the 2 canvases that are being given away as grand prize items, Viscous and Birdie. So those are going to be release papers that go along with the diamond paintings that are being given away. So I want to thank Ashley and Kerwin for being a sponsor. You can use discount code CLAWS10 on your order with their shop. from August 1st through August 31st. They thank you for the discount code as well, Shug. Love ya. All right, and we have the Diamond Design Co. Amy reached out to me, which I had never purchased from the Diamond Design Co. before. So this was a new shop to me. I was thrilled that she reached out and offered to be a sponsor with gift cards. So we will be getting gift cards from Amy for the event. She offers hand-rendered mini diamond painting kits. They are so cute. So the one that's pictured is the one I purchased, and I got it just recently, this past week. But it's called Squishmallows, and it's just 10 by 10 squares of these adorable little animals. Oh my gosh. So I can't wait to get into that, but definitely check out the Diamond Design Co. on Etsy. Lots of different mini kits to choose from. And it's just fabulous that, these little kits are out there. So if you don't want to work on a big diamond painting, you can work on your little kits. So thank you so much, Amy, for being a sponsor. We appreciate you so much. And then we have DP with Sparklers. Everyone knows Miss T-Ma. They offer glass sparklers, slivers, sliverettes. They also have crystals, which are rhinestones, pixie dust, glow, AB drills, and then some other accessories. They also have diamond painting kits, and also diamond painting enhancement suggestions for your canvases. DP with Sparklers has offered to donate gift cards for our event. So I want to thank T-Ma so much for willing to be a sponsor with Claws and Paws. And I can't wait. I ordered some slivers and sliverettes to try for the first time. So I can't wait to try that out on my Cheryl Carpenter canvas viscous. So definitely check out DP with Sparklers if you haven't. Her sparklers and accessories are just fabulous to add to your canvases, and they just bring out so much bling. So thank you again, T-Ma, for being a sponsor. Okay, Enablers Outpost. Enablers Outpost is one of our grand prize sponsors. And as you all know, Elizabeth and Edward are well known in the community, and they offer beautiful licensed diamond paintings and hand-turned pens. So I highly recommend you to check out Enablers Outpost. And I want to thank Elizabeth and Edward for being a grand prize sponsor of Cheryl Carpenter's kits, which is Viscous and Birdie. These are the two kits that are being given away for grand prizes, and they are gorgeous. Both of these kits are square drill kits, and I'm pretty sure they are 50 by 50. And Viscous has 20 colors, and Birdie has 15 colors. There's going to be a lot of color blocking in these, so it's going to go quickly, but had to have them as, representation for our event for Claws and Paws, and they're just adorable. So not only do I want to thank Enablers Outpost, I want to thank Cheryl Carpenter for agreeing to have these kits be our event kits. So thank you, Elizabeth and Edward. Love you, Shugs. Okay, and now we have Karen Yumi Lusted. Karen is a watercolor artist who has been in the diamond painting community for a few years. And she was with a previous company that closed down, and now she is with Enablers Outpost. So you can get her artwork as diamond paintings with Enablers Outpost. So please check out her pieces available. She has beautiful watercolor pieces that she creates. And I'm thrilled that she offered to be a sponsor for the event. She is going to be giving us a pack of wombat stickers, which the proceeds from those stickers are going to go towards a wombat rescue fund that helps, treat wombats and take care of, injured wombats and wombats in need. So the proceeds from that is going to go towards that fund. And then she's also willing to donate a watercolor print of Midnight Bloom. And this was a diamond painting that I completed. This was with Enablers Outpost. and it is gorgeous. I have it hanging on my doors in my office behind me. You can see it in my lives. But it is just absolutely beautiful. So she is willing to do a print of Midnight Bloom as well. So please use code Claws and Paws 25 in her Ko-fi shop for 10% off of eligible items. So thank you so much, Karen, for offering to be a sponsor. I greatly appreciate it. And I'm looking forward to being able to give away these items from your shop. And then next we have Kevin's CP pens. Oh my goodness. Erica and Kevin are familiar in the diamond painting community. They make handmade diamond painting pens, scroll cut pens, nail savers, and cover minders. And they have graciously offered to give us 2 pens as giveaways for the event. The pen on the left is a black resin pen with a wood insert of a kitty cat. And then the right one is a wood blank, and then it's got a cutout of the kitty cat, which the winner of that pen is going to be able to choose a colored resin to put into that scroll cut. And then cover minders as well. Oh my gosh, the paw print cover minders, so cute, so cute. So thank you so much to Erica and Kevin for willing to be a sponsor again for our event, and just for everything you do for the community. Greatly appreciate both of you. So definitely check out Kevin's CP Pens on Etsy. And then you can also use Claws 25 as a discount code for 15% off in their shop from August 1st through August 31st. So thank you again, Miss Erica and Kevin. Okay, Leopard Leatherworks. Leopard Leatherworks is also a well-known pen turner in the community. They make handmade diamond painting blanks, pens, and accessories. The blank that's shown on the screen is the pen that is going to be given away to a lucky winner of the event, and it will be turned to your specifications. So it's almost like a custom-made pen for a lucky winner. So I want to thank Carrie and Tim for offering to donate this beautiful paw print blank for our event. And they are also one of the grand prize sponsors. They are willing to donate a $50 gift card to their shop to a lucky grand prize winner of our event. So I want to thank Carrie and Tim for being a fabulous sponsor for our event. Thank you. And then we have Paty Putty. Paty Putty. Holly is the owner of the shop on Etsy, and she offers diamond painting putty and diamond art accessories. And I pulled this image off her website because I thought it was the cutest thing. These are popsicle putties, which I think is just so imaginative and just so cute. It's like, it's too pretty to even put your pen in that, right? Right. But anyway, she offers all kinds of different putty options. So I want to thank Holly for willing to be a sponsor for our event. She is willing to give us gift cards to be given away for the event. So we are thrilled to have Paty Putty. So thank you, thank you. And then we have Sher Shenigans. All y'all know Nicole and her fabulous cover minders. Her cover minders are handmade wood cover minders as well as needle binders. And she also offers other crafting accessories. But Sher Shenigans, these are my favorite cover minders. And I use these all the time, all the time. They're just fabulous. And I'm a big supporter of Sher Shenigans. So I want to thank Nicole so much for being a sponsor. She is giving us 2 of these cover minders that are shown as giveaways from her shop. So I want to thank her for that. And of course, I had to purchase some for me too. But, oh yes, have to support. So anyway, I want to thank Nicole so much. And she came up with that cute design. She just, again, so imaginative, and I thought it was adorable and very, very appropriate for Claws and Paws. So thank you, Nicole, for being a sponsor for our event. Okay, Weiwax. Okay, I had to throw Weiwax in there because I'm a sponsor. Y'all know handmade diamond painting wax, soy wax melts, we putty, we chap when it's not 100 million degrees outside. So there's my website. Check it out. I'm not going to stay on that very long. Y'all know. But for those of you that are new, I am the owner of Weiwax Crafts, and I offer putty and beeswax and soy things. So anyway, feel free to check me out. Okay. And then Hannah and I are donating diamond painting canvases as grand prize items to be given away. I am going to be donating, so hard for me to do this, but it's for the community and I know someone will enjoy this. This is a craftably diamond painting. It is called Christmas Basket by Marcelo Corti. This has been in my stash for many years. And as you all know, Craftably is no longer a business. I miss them dearly. Michael and Amy, I miss them. I really do. But anyway, I'm going to be giving away a Craftably Christmas Basket diamond painting. It is going to come in the Craftably tube. So you get to have that as well. And then Hannah has graciously decided to donate Oh Kitten Tree by Randall Spangler. And this is from Diamond Art Club. So 2 fabulous canvases that are being given away to grand prize winners. So I want to thank Hannah for offering to donate from her stash. But I know she and I both are happy to, give these away to one lucky participant in for each canvas. We're happy to donate them to the community for a lucky grand prize winners. Okay. And I think I have gone over all of the sponsors. Again, Hannah and I want to thank everyone, not only our amazing sponsors, but also the participants. For the sponsors, I can't even describe to you how grateful I am to everyone that reached out to me or that I reached out to and agreed to donate their time, products, and creativity to our event. It just means the world to both myself and to Hannah. So, but also to the participants, you guys are the reason why we keep doing it. You guys enjoy the event and, we just appreciate all of you. And we just wanted to make sure that all of you know that. So, yes, I think I've covered all of our sponsors and we look forward to seeing all of your progress photos. We do have a Facebook group. I will have that in the in the description down below. So please check out our Facebook group. I want to thank my moderators and admins of that group, Carol and Jay Lely and Veronica. That group couldn't run without them. So thank you so much for them being so helpful, but anyway, I hope to see all of you soon. And there will be a live on Monday. We'll be drawing the week 1 prizes. And then Hannah is going to have a video out on Tuesday, August 12th for week 2. So please make sure you follow Hannah's channel. That will also be down in the description below. But thank you again. And we look forward to seeing all of your progress photos. Talk to you soon. Bye, guys.